What is up, guys? My name is Dominic Barbado. Welcome back to Enhanced Entrepreneurs. Super excited for you guys to be here. If you're new here, please hit that nice looking subscribe button. Join the family of entrepreneurs looking to stray away from the traditional path. And let's hop right into our discussion. Is the 4-hour work week real? So the 4-hour work week is complete bullshit. To jump right into the actual facts of a 4-hour work week and why I think it's bullshit is because there's so many wanna-be entrepreneurs out there that are saying, yeah, I put a website up and I got no sale, they say I put a website up and I got no sales, but I'm still an entrepreneur. I still grinded to create that website. I still did this and did that. But the thing is, you know what an entrepreneur is? An entrepreneur is someone that is so resourceful that they don't stop grinding until they get the results they want. You don't stop hustling until you get the results you want. But there's so many people out there, because entrepreneurship is such a fad right now for some reason, that are starting businesses but then just giving up and quitting because they didn't make money that next day or that next week or even that next month. Starting a business is hard fucking work. And I don't think people seem to want to understand that. Being an entrepreneur is hard work. It's not easy. Me being here on this channel is not easy. Starting Enhanced Entrepreneurs community is not easy. Ask Yassine, who is the co-founder of Enhanced Entrepreneurs. It's not easy being an entrepreneur. It's not easy juggling all of these different roles within a business and managing employees and having a business. It's not easy. Yes, there are some businesses in which you can work 4 hours a week. But guess what? At the end of some of those months, or at the end of a year of that business, if you're only putting in 4 hours a week, you're gonna have competitors. You're gonna have people who are gonna, bite pieces of your market out, and they're gonna take over some of your clients and your customers. That's just how business works. If you are not sustaining your business every single day, if you're not working on your business and yourself every single day, you're not gonna see success over a long period of time. The thing is, when you get wealthy, you want to hold that wealth for as long as possible. And if you're not even able to hold the wealth or create the wealth in the beginning, you shouldn't even be an entrepreneur. This is where the 4-hour work week to me pisses me off. This 4-hour work week that Tim Ferriss created, this concept of the 4-hour work week, has created so many entrepreneurs out there that think they could start a business that isn't even profitable and then say they're an entrepreneur on Instagram and say they're an entrepreneur on anywhere else, and then people will follow them, and then people that say they're an entrepreneur on anything and they show like, hey, yeah, I started this business, but guess what? They're not making any money. They're not hustling at it. They're not consistent with, creating new products or coming up with new customers or marketing the product. And this is the misconception of the 4-hour work week. It doesn't exist. In the beginning, you need to work 18 hours a day. You need to even work 24/7, like someone is working against you. The internet, the world, everything is moving at such a rapid pace. We are at such an exponential growth in society and everything that is going on around us that you need to hustle really hard to actually be successful as an entrepreneur. Don't just work 4 hours. Don't just start a website and then say you got to work 4 hours a week doing various tasks. No. Work 4 hours every single day. Work 8 hours every single day. If you only can work 4 hours a day, then do that. But don't just work 4 hours a week and say, yeah, why am I failing? And then wonder why you give up on your business. It's because your business failed because you didn't put any time into it and you're like, oh, this 4-hour work week is bullshit. Yeah, it is bullshit because it's not real. It's not the way business works. In the beginning, you need to front load all the work. And then after maybe 6, 7, 8 months, even after a year or two, then maybe you can scale back, but not to that 4-hour bullshit. Get that out of your head, start grinding, start doing your work, and start putting in all of the effort you have, 110% into your business, and then you will see success come to you. Don't come back here working 4 hours a week and say you failed and why are you failing and why haven't you succeeded? Because I am not going to listen to you. Grind your face off, do what you got to do to be successful, and we'll be here helping you, giving you the tools, resources, and everything else you need. Yeah, so that is basically my little topic, my little rant about the 4-hour work week. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this motivates you to go out there and push in your business and push your life to the next level and do everything you can to take your life and everything to the next level. We will see you on the other side of Enhanced Entrepreneurs. If you haven't joined the community, go to enhancedentrepreneurs.com. A link will be in the description. Free community, tools, courses, resources, videos, blogs, lessons. We have it all, and we even have an instant chat where you can connect with business owners just like you who are looking to stray away from the traditional path. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Dominic Barbado, and see you in the next video.